Hello, welcome to Tutorial Tuesday. Thank you for visiting us at Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. We love you guys so much. Thank you for all of your support. This is an Indonesian Frontal curly, and I am going to shampoo it. So I just wanted to share that experience with you. So when you receive your hair, you know what to do. When you receive your hair, all the frontals, the closures are all washed and ready to go. You can feel free to co-wash it if you like, but I'm gonna do it right now, so stay tuned. First, what I wanna do is to take the tangles out. So I'm gonna comb through. Closure, just I'll turn the water off as I'm combing through the frontal. This is what it looks like detangled. Looks like a little afro. So I combed through it, had no problem. I don't see any hair, so no shedding so far. I'm get ready to wash. I like to wash with cold water. If the hair is really dirty, start out with hot water or warm water. That'll open up the cuticles and you can really get the dirt out. So since it's my first time washing this frontal straight from the vendor, I think I'll do a little warmer water so we can get it nice and clean. Okay. You guys can see all that. Okay, just squeeze the water out a little bit with my hand. And get ready for shampoo. I am using the Silicone Mix brand of products right now. I love the Silicone Mix brand of products. It just moisturizes the hair. I first was introduced to the Silicone Mix when I was going to a Dominican shop to get my hair done. And they swear by the Silicone Mix is what they use, so I just started using it too. I know there's a lot of natural products out there, a lot of other things that you can use. So you feel free to, use what you normally use when you get your hair. That's it lathered up. I'm getting ready to brush it. Got my Tangle Teaser with me here. I wish I can hold the camera so you can see me brushing the hair, but I think it's easier to use a Tangle Teaser on your own hair than trying to use it on your frontal. Let's see if you guys can see. Let me just go with the comb. The comb is easier. Again, you start at the ends. I probably should have put this on a mannequin so you guys could see better. I'm getting soap on the floor. But you get the idea. You get the idea. Comb the shampoo through. So I just have the frontal rested on the counter in the kitchen and I'm just combing through it. And that's what it looks like with the shampoo in it. Okay. Let the shampoo sit on there for a while I try to adjust this camera. With my hands. And I want you guys to really see what I'm doing. Let's see. Might be a little better. Because you guys don't really need to see me. I want you to see the frontal. So yeah. So I combed it out just like this. And it's on the counter. I started with the ends, but since those were all combed through, no tangles, I came up closer to the roots. And that is what we have, voila. All right, let me wash it out. Get the soap all over the counter. Fold it in half so you can get your grip. Squeeze out your excess water. Wipe the soap off the counter. Let's put some conditioner in. My favorite silicone mix, guys. Start at the roots. But I come down. I just use my fingers to distribute the conditioner evenly. With the Indonesian closing frontals, they put a lot of hair in here, guys, so don't be afraid to manipulate it. Get it going. Yes, got some hair coming out. That's fine, you got a lot of hair to play with. Keep in mind the closure and frontals are handmade, strand by strand, into this net. All right, and I like my conditioner to sit for a minute. You know, I usually put it in a plastic bag. Got some hair, you know, curly hair does give you a little more shedding than straight hair. So we got some shedding there, not much, nothing to write home about. Gotta find a, so that's the frontal with the conditioner on it. Put that in a plastic bag. Let me get one. You know what? I wasn't prepared, guys. I didn't get my bag ready. So give me a second to wash my hands. All right, I put it in a plastic bag. Kind of work like you know, deep conditioner. I give you put a plastic cap on your head and went under the dryer. So I leave it like that for a minute, a few more than a minute. I leave it like that for about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, and then I just wash the conditioner out. But in the sake of the video, in the sake of your time, I am gonna just wash it out. So I just want to show you, put in a plastic bag, you let it sit, so the hair can get conditioned. Go ahead and comb the conditioner out. Comb it through, I mean. But it's already pretty saturated. Hair is combed with no problem. Okay. Again, this is the Indonesian curly. We're gonna wash that out, guys. Cold water, so we can close the cuticles now. I love the Indonesian hair, guys. It is so thick. It just reminds me of African American hair, nice thick strands. All right, guys, that is that. See, there it is, guys. Clean, frontal, tangle-free, washed and conditioned. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. See you on the next tutorial. Mwah.